Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is jercallora. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create this beautiful art ninja NFT collection using only Canva. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Anyways guys, this video is sponsored by NFT Collection Maker. Um, if you want to learn more about this, I'm gonna put this link down in the description of this video. And you can make NFT collection in just a matter of minutes. So this is the type of collection that you can make. I'm gonna show you the other type that you can make. This is the other one that you can make as well. Um, this is the other one that you can make. So these are the samples of the um, collections that you can make using this NFT collection maker. Now there's a demo video on the website. Now I'm gonna put this link down in the description of this video so you guys can actually see it for yourself if this is something that you're interested in. Now enough for this, let's go back to the main training, which is how to create an NFT collection using only Canva. Now I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful ninja NFT collection right here using only Canva. Uh, I'm going to create this from scratch so that you guys can actually see how it's done. Alright, so go to your Canva account. Now if you don't have a Canva account, you can go ahead and create a Canva account by going to canva.com and then sign up for a free account. You can create an NFT collection using Canva for free. Now, once you log into your account, what you can do is click on the Create Design button right here, and then a drop down will appear. And then what you can do now is click on this custom size right here. Click on that one. The size for this would be 1080 by 1080. So 1080 by 1080. This will be a pixel, guys. Alright. Then create a new design. You can close the previous tab in Canva, and this will allow you to create your design from scratch. Now, alright, so in order to create an NFT collection, what we can do is search for for your desired character. Now you can choose any character you want, but in this video tutorial, I'm gonna choose ninja. Right, I'm gonna go to elements, and then I'm gonna choose a ninja character right here. There are many results right here, but you can choose the one that you like. But in this case, I'm gonna choose this one right here, the one that I used a while ago. Now we can resize this one by holding shift and dragging it up or down, just like that. Right, I'm gonna drag it up so it will fit to your actual canvas. All right, so once you're happy with the result of this, you're gonna uh, position it to the center, just like that. And then we can replace the background color for this. We can choose a background color. You can choose this one right here. You can choose this color, and you can also replace the color of the shirt of the ninja itself. You can change the color of the shirt. Let's say you wanted to choose this one right here. That's nice. We can also change the the, the other color of the shirt. Let's say when we wanted to choose this red, just like that. Uh, yeah, you can also change. You can also change the color of the skin. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, we can also do that as well. Right, so let's go back to the original one. So let's say this is the let me go back. Let me put it back to our original image, so we can make right. So let's say that this is the original base character that we wanted to use. Right. We can now create another variation for this by clicking on this add page layer right here. Now we can copy this by right clicking on the character itself, copy and paste this by clicking command or control V. And now we can change the color for this for the different color, like uh, the color that we used a while ago. This one. We can also change the background. We can also change the background image itself by clicking on elements and search for background image. So let's say you wanted to search for another background. Let's say you wanted to choose um, background. You can pick the interesting one. Let's say uh, interesting one right here. Let's say you wanted to choose this one. Now what you can do is you can right click on this image and click on replace background, and this will automatically replace the background image for this. Now what we can do now is add accessories for this. Let's say you wanted to add eyeglasses for this. We can search on eyeglass. Search on eyeglass, and then click on this one, and then drag it just like that and resize just like that. Right. Uh, Now we can add another variation for this. We can copy this one, paste this again, copy the character. Alright, so let's replace the background color. Let's say you wanted to replace this one. And then we can search for another accessories like a tie. We can choose this one. Right, we can resize the tie for this, just like that. Yeah, we can resize that one right there, and we can change the color for this. Now you can also change the color for the tie. Let's say you wanted this you wanted the you want this color right here, just like that, and you want it to be white, not a black. Alright, so just like that, you can resize this if you want. You can adjust the height of the size for this. Alright, uh, yeah. What else? You can go ahead and you know add another layer, add another variation, copy this character, change the background for this into something else. Let's try to add another background. Let's find interesting background for this. Can't seem to find an interesting background for this. Mm, but you know what? You can also upload a background image if you wanted to. If you have you can search in Google and upload a background image in this section right here by clicking on this upload right here. Uh, yeah, we'll choose this one. Uh, Place as a background image. You know what? We'll use a color instead, and let's choose another color right here. Let's choose this. Yeah, let's use that one. We can also change the skin tone of this. So if you wanted to change the skin tone for this one, you can choose a darker skin tone. uh, let's say this one right here. Also, if you wanted to change that one right there to be darker as well, yeah, you can even choose a dark color like red or black right there. You can even choose, you know you can apply different colors for this. It's all depend to you and what you're trying to create, right? You can choose what else, a hat for this, an accessories, a ninja hat. Let's look up for the ninja hat. Ninja hat. Uh, See if we can find ninja hat. Hmm. Let's try this. No, that is the. Let's try another one. Let's choose another one. You can give time um to make your art unique. It's all about your creativity, right? You can search like knife, ninja knife. You can add this. You can add this to and as an accessories right here, just like that. You can change the color of this. Change this into a white color. This color, yeah. You can add any accessories you wanted to if you wanted to make your avatar. If you wanted to make your collection cool and unique, you can do that all by just using Canva. You can create up to any many pages that you wanted to um, copy this and paste this down here. Uh, you choose different background color for this and change this into this into that color. Uh, yeah, this color right here. Eyes. Let's see if we can find eyes. Eyes. Let's see. This. Let's try to use this. No, it's not. Let's let's see. Ninja eyes. Ninja eyes. This one right here. You know what? No. Let's find another one. Let's find another one. Mm, yeah, that one right there. You know what? You can do that as well. It's up to you and your creativity. That one right there. Yeah, just like that. You can also do that as well. Yeah. So that's basically it, guys. And then once you're happy with all the collections that you made using Canva, now what you can do is click on the share button right here, and then click on download this one, and then uh, click on download, and then choose all 5 pages right here, and then click on download. But if you have more than 5 pages, you can also do that. Now what you can do is click on download, and then this will download your files, and then you're gonna upload those files to your favorite marketplace like OpenSea, Solanart, or many other marketplace out there that you can sell or post your NFT collection. Alright guys, yeah, so that's it. I hope you like this video. I hope this makes sense. I hope this helped you in your NFT journey. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.